Good morning. This is Thursday, April 30th. Thursday, April 30th. Days just seem to go together. I tend to forget what day it is. Today we're going to do a composition called my wonderful wacky word composition. We are kind of in a time that's a little bit wacky right now, but I'm going to show you how you can use a word and kind of abstract it and to make it a kind of a cool composition. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to do a wacky word composition. And so I'm going to do the word friends. So you're going to kind of block out to make sure that you have enough room on your paper to do whatever lettering that you want. Now, we're going to do the 3x5, but we're not going to worry about measuring at all. And I got friends that are tall and skinny and shorter and all different kinds of friends. So we're going to have all different kinds of letters. So we're going to just start off and I'm going to do 3 lines and we're not going to worry about whether they're straight or not. And then I'm going to do 5 this way. 3, 4, 5. Okay, then I'm going to outline my F for friends. I'm going to go in. I don't even think I'm going to use a ruler because it doesn't really matter if it's straight. I even went out of the lines. That's okay too. All right, so then we're going to, I guess I am going to have to use a ruler. Okay, R, I think I'm going to make it a little shorter and go the other direction. So I'm going to make my R, I'm going to just start off with a box. Okay, so I've got to have 3 and then 5. So I'm going to do R, okay, now my I, I'm going to kind of change it out a little bit. I think I'm going to make the I is just a rectangle, so we're going to go over. I'm going to put a circle on it, make it a small letter, F-R-I. All right, now we're going to have E. We'll make it be a little wider. And maybe make it not be an actual rectangle. This is fun for kids because there's not really a lot they could do wrong with it. So if you have grandkids at home, they can do all kinds of words. And when they outline it, it doesn't have to stay exactly on the lines. All right, we're gonna do an N, a tall, skinny N. So our box, we're gonna start off with tall and skinny. There's our line from our E. Just even your lines this way do not have to be the same because you're just making your letter. All right, we're going to do kind of a smaller D. I think we'll make this one kind of this way. And we'll end with a kind of a larger to kind of finish it off S. 3 by 5. this, then we half, all the way around, curve, going up. All right, then we're going to erase lines that we don't need. All right, then you can take your lines if you want to and go out from them to create some other different lines. Just decide where you want those lines to be. And it'll give you some angles to be able to do some shading. So we can make some of these lines just extend out from some of the lines that you already have, that you've made, and divide your background up into different sections. All right, we have a start to our wacky word composition. Tomorrow we're going to add shading to it and finish it up. So get your colored pencils and get ready to roll. Have a wonderful Thursday evening. Call somebody up, tell them hi, tell them you love them, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Don't forget to wash your hands. Bye-bye.